This is just a photo. Until AI does this. This free tool turns any image into a cinematic video. No app, no editing, no cost. And that's just tool number one. I've got two more. One gives you unlimited AI video animations, no watermark. The other? It writes prompts, generates images, and animates them, all in one. Oh, and one of them turned my cat into a rock star. Let's start with tool number one, the one behind that Jedi scene you saw earlier. Let me show you how to make your own in under 2 minutes. Hit the link below, then click Create with Magi, or just head to magi.san.ai. You will need to sign up, name, email, and password. Then check your inbox, click the verification link, and you are in. Here's where it gets interesting. The interface is clean. No timelines, no learning curve. Just a blank canvas, built for creativity. You will see a credit counter in the corner. Ignore it for now. I will show you how to unlock unlimited generations in a moment. Click Create New Project. Now you're in the canvas. Think of it as your digital playground. You will see two upload options. The right is for uploading from past projects. Choose the left option to upload a new image from your device. Let's go with something cinematic. I'm using an image of a female Jedi stepping off a starship, lightsaber glowing. Once it's on the canvas, look for the small plus icon. That's your action menu. Click it and open the animation panel. Enter the motion you want to see in the prompt box. For video duration, you can go up to 10 seconds, but let's set it to 8. You can also choose the number of variations, enable enhanced prompt for a sharper, more cinematic look, and turn on high quality for the best results. Hit generate and watch Magi turn your still image into a movie moment. Look at this. Sci-fi vibes, cinematic detail, and I made this in 2 minutes, no editing. To keep the scene going, hit the plus icon, enter a new prompt, and hit generate. It's that simple. Or click here to reanimate the base image. I even tried a few different styles, and look at these. Now, what if you run out of credits? Here's a quick trick. Just head to tempmail.org, copy a temporary email, sign up again, and boom, you are back with more free credits. But here's where it gets even better. The next tool doesn't need any workarounds. No temp email, no credit limits, no watermark. It's completely free and unlimited. Let me introduce you to Veer AI, a free tool that takes things to the next level with powerful features and zero restrictions. Here's a quick preview of what it can do. This entire animation was generated using just one prompt. No editing, no software. Just upload your image, hit generate, and that's it. But that's not all. Veer also gives you tools to generate stunning images from just text. Transform your images into any style. Turn selfies into anime avatars. Create pet portraits in crazy styles. This is just a quick preview.